your name?
My name is Subhasri.
Very good. Which class are you studying?
First class.
Board మీద మంత్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఏ మంత్ కి ఎన్ని డేస్ అని తెలుసా? రాయగలవా? ఓకే, కమ్ ఆన్. January has 31 days. February has 28 days. March has
31.
very good.
30.
April has
30.
very good. May has
31.
June has
30.
very good. July has
31.
very good. August has
31.
September has
30.
October has
31.
November has
30.
very good. December has
31.
very good. మరి ఫిబ్రవరికి 28 డేస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, మరి 29 డేస్ కూడా వస్తాయి. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు తెలుసా?
Leap year.
ఓకేనా?